Skorpios Builder Blog, and welcome to our second to last episode of this season of the Builder Blog. I know, right? Can you believe it's almost over? Tomorrow is the finals. And for our very final episode of season 1 for the Skorpios Builder Blog, we are heading down to a big party being thrown by Team Seems Reasonable Robotics. It's being hosted by Aaron, who is the captain of Blip and former captain of Tantrum, and their team has done the unthinkable. It managed to get 2 robots to the final 8. A truly amazing accomplishment. And we're going to join 7 other teams, and that's clearly the number 7. There we go. 7 other teams in San Jose for this epic party. So be sure to subscribe and like this video and tune in next week for the super awesome one. Now, I know you might be thinking, Zach's not ending the Builder Blog, is he? He said this is his second to last episode of season 1. The TV show might be ending, but this is when we go into high gear, because this is the off season and our chance to improve our robots. And we have some phenomenal things in the works. We've already shot crossover videos with Blip, Fusion, Glitch, and everyone's favorite robot, Rusty. And those are all coming up in the coming months here on the Builder Blog. And we're going to start working on a new Skorpios for season 7. So you do not want to miss this. We're going to turn it over to Jake on his YouTube channel to announce who won last week's giveaway.
Hello, folks, and I am here to pick your winner of the Skorpios fan page comments. And there's a lot, over 250 of them, and it took a while to go through them all. But we're going to go through a few here, and then I'm going to tell you which one was my favorite. Make sure to check out the Ottergun page and all those other sponsors, because we love that kind of stuff. Anyways, I learned that Jake is a rad dude. No, not really, man. Not really. Being lazy, making working on bots easier. Yes, if you give the laziest guy the hardest job, he will find the easiest way to do it. The card is amazing, and RC test platforms, they're pretty fun. Dangerous, though. Should probably wear a helmet next time. Hydra Spinner looks rather mean. Yeah, it's pretty deadly, actually. Probably one of the most vicious ones you'll ever see, actually, because it's got the same energy as Sao does. Anyone else notice Jake's Wisconsin accent really came out in the cold? Yeah, it kind of does. I don't know if it's a Canadian thing being next to the border, but when it gets cold, you start talking a little bit different. Anyways, I kind of already knew from his videos, but I learned Jake is really kind of smart, even though he likes to play the average guy. I'm really dumb on camera, let's just put it that way. And act like a hydraulic manifold is something simple. Nope, that was not. I know it's anything but. Also, even the card has a lot more engineering than, say, a Rusty. Oh. And they said being lazy won't get you anywhere. And that is your winner, folks. Congratulations, Corey Lawrence, for the winner chicken dinner. You hit almost everything that I wanted to see. A little bit of funny, a little bit of hate, a little bit of Wisconsin accent in the cold. That is perfect. Make sure you check out my YouTube page as well, because I like putting out a little bit of content now this season. And hopefully we can keep this going forward. But thank your Skorpios team for coming down and filming with us, because without them, you would not be getting this piece.
This has definitely been a very dramatic season, with glitches drop out of the top 32, with the controversial fight card rounds with some really short main events, and then we had the whole Whiplash Cobalt controversy. And to really learn a little bit more about that, you should go to the Facebook pages of each team. They did epic big write-ups, fully describing everything that happened and how they felt about the situation. And I would check it out if you'd like to know more. So please be sure to like and subscribe. In this last week, we shot up over 400 subscribers, and thank you guys so much for that. We're now just 500 away from 5,000, which will be a big landmark for our channel, and we're coming up on our 1-year anniversary, so that would be really fantastic to hit that number by then.